Okay, so I was just doing one of my usual walks through the garden. It's been raining so hard, off and on, for the last couple of days. I think it's probably got a couple more days of rain to go. And guys, look. This is where my 2 budding apples were. Like, y'all might legit hear a grown woman cry over 2 apples. Like, oh, I think I see one. Look. Stupid storms. Y'all, I am so sad. Oh, here's the other one. Look. My 2 little apple babies. So hurt. At least the tree still looks like it's in good shape. I guess we'll just have to be on the lookout for additional buds, and hopefully soon we'll stop getting storms that are so bad that they're literally pulling the buds off of the tree. So disappointed. But on the bright side, we do still have a pomegranate hanging on, so that's exciting. And on this lemon tree, which I probably shouldn't even be letting them grow right now, there are still buds on the lemon tree. But if I'm honest, y'all, I am really hurt about those 2 apples. I was beyond excited about those apples. There they are now. No apples for me. At least not these 2. We've still got 4 more branches to go. Hopefully something will survive. But there's my 2 dead apple babies. Hope you guys are faring well. I know the weather's going crazy in a lot of places right now, so everybody take care.